What is twin flame merging? I'm going to use my experience as an example because I went through this and it actually triggers a Kundalini awakening. Hi, my name is Rita Simon and you are watching the series Awaken, where I take mystical concepts and my mystical experiences and translate them with science. So if you have been watching my videos, you know that I had two twin flame connections. In the first one, I was the runner. In the second one, I was the chaser. And I was able to integrate these two parts of myself, and that triggered a Kundalini awakening. And this is basically what merging is. So your twin flame mirrors you at your childhood wound. That's why you attract each other, because attraction comes from the nervous system. Opposites attract, but deep down, you are the same. Your weaknesses, your insecurities are going to be the same. And the way you should imagine is that this is the wound and you created an overcompensation on this side, and your twin flame for the exact same wound created the opposite. So deep down in the subconscious, in the body, where the emotions are, you are the same, but on the conscious level, you are the opposite. So your reactions to it and the way you see the same problem, the way you react to the same situation is going to be the opposite. Hence, the runner-chaser duality. But in reality, a healthy person is going to be in the middle. So the childhood wounds come that your parents did something to you, but you didn't have a fully functioning brain. And we create a body-mind connection. And this is actually the pattern. And the subconscious connects to the consciousness, and that creates a pattern. And because we are children, we don't understand concepts and how others think, why people do. We get hurt a lot easier, and many times our parents were actually emotionally immature, so of course they abused us, and all of these wounds are in us. They create our weaknesses, our insecurities, and that's why we become abusive and triggered and angry and anxious and all of these negative impulses. And merging means this integration, that you have this childhood wound here and you have the overcorrection, and this would be 0. This is the healthy range. And your other part is the whoever you are. So you are, for example, a chaser, the other part is going to be the runner. The wound is the same, created the opposite, and you attract each other because this is the good one when it's 0. So this teeny tiny version of you that didn't evolve, didn't develop, it's underdeveloped. So this is how you look like instead of this, because this should be 0. And this part is going to be the version of you that you attract. And that's what you see, an overcorrection on both sides. And if you really pay attention, what is triggered out of you, that's when you can heal. So you bring this repressed version of you, this underdeveloped version of you up, and you let the adult go. So you surrender to your childlike version. So you let the control go a little bit, so this version of you can grow. And it's going to be similar to your opposite, but on a healthy range, because your opposite is on an unhealthy range. Just like you are too overcompensating. And this is the merging, that you create these two opposites within you, because as of now it's outside of you and this one is really repressed. So you bring this up with the help of your twin flame and you integrate, and that's when you can have a Kundalini awakening. See you in my next video.